Here comes my husband. Quick, eat the fries.
Bet you they didn't have these at Hot Yoga.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and
I'm Kyla at Mummy's Weird. This is the first time I've ever done a video with somebody. You're gonna do some editing, and I've never ever, I'm a one-take wonder because I'm too lazy to edit, so I'm really excited to do this with you.
I'm excited too. Today we're going to try ketchups.
Yeah, because it's Canada Day long weekend. For Canada Day, we'll do things like sometimes parades, but not always. Like every town doesn't do a parade like in the States.
We don't here.
No. And we're in British Columbia in Canada, but we will do barbecues. So we thought
it would be fun to do ketchup.
So the sriracha ketchup.
Sriracha, is it hot?
Different kind of hot. It's like
okay, cheers.
Oh yeah, cheers. Okay. Oh yeah! That's good.
That's hot. Yeah.
I love this.
Would you put that on a hamburger or a hot dog? I don't know what I
like that. I put it on my fries.
I do like it.
Can I have those fries when you're done?
Are you dressed? Do you have a shirt on?
That's just a special neighbor.
Wilson.
Yeah. So I want you to try this. So this one has no sugar added. They're 1 gram of sugar, probably from the tomato. Okay, so but listen though, 65% less calories, and it is sweetened with stevia. This is what my kids use.
Okay, quick. The guy's coming with his truck.
Is he? Okay.
That's not bad.
No, I find it a little bit sour.
Yeah, I don't find it that bad.
Yeah. But do you think your husband would like this?
I don't know. I think
How's he feel about stevia?
Stevia he would be fine with. And it's less sugar, so you'd be happy with that.
You drink that weird pop sweetened by stevia.
Zevia.
Yeah.
I love Zevia. Yeah. Do you like them?
No. I just speak it when I'm here. Okay. This one I'm super excited too. So this is French's, and this is
I'm excited about this
buffalo. So this is going to be hot too.
Yeah.
But a different kind of hot, I guess. Oh, I'm excited. I'm going to cleanse my palate for this one.
Good one.
Obviously, I've never cleansed my palate before. Okay, buffalo.
Oh,
whoa, 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 whoa.
I like that one.
I like that.
I like it too. I'm surprised.
It tastes like buffalo, because it is buffalo, right? It's Red's. Yeah, it's Frank's Red Hot.
I could see putting that on wings too.
Yeah, the 4 grams of sugar. So the
last one.
Yeah, you do it.
Garlic ketchup.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't like fake tasting garlic.
Well, there's already garlic in regular ketchup, isn't there? Oh, maybe not. Oh, that just tastes like regular ketchup.
Well, let's do their regular ketchup.
Yeah.
It definitely, this one tastes sweeter, the regular. I'm going to say that if I was going to have a hot dog or a hamburger, it would be this regular plain Jane.
Well, first of all, my kids aren't going to eat this one, and they're not going to eat this one.
Yeah.
But if I was at a barbecue and this, I think what's going to happen is it's going to be the only kind of ketchup you buy. Like, if I'm at a party and there's only this kind of ketchup out, I have to eat my burger with no ketchup, then I would eat that. That's what I think.
There you have it, ketchup taste test. Okay, so I would like to know, what ketchups have you tried, and would you try any of these? What do you use ketchup for?
So if you liked watching us eat ketchup, you can get more of me at Mummy's Weird. We're going to put the link down there underneath all that stuff.
I am Mrs. B. You can find my videos on Learn with Mrs. B. I do educational videos for children.
And if we find that we dig doing this, then maybe we'll start a new channel or something, and we'll keep doing fun stuff like this.
Yeah, thumbs up, subscribe. Happy Canada Day.
I can't find the sriracha one anymore.
Sriracha?
There it is.